Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters, where we explore 20 mind-blowing construction technologies and tools that are changing how the world is built. These advanced single-sided drywall stilts are built for professional contractors, offering enhanced safety, comfort, and performance. A flexion foot system provides a natural walking motion, while the lightweight magnesium body and fully adjustable design ensure stability and control on demanding job sites. UltraCrack L270 is a fast-curing cold plastic crack repair system for asphalt surfaces. It provides a durable, long-lasting repair that prevents water ingress, reduces freeze-thaw damage, and extends surface life. The cold lay application requires no hot works or specialist equipment, allowing rapid installation by competent teams with minimal disruption. CeraForce is a cutting blade designed for thick porcelain used in outdoor flooring applications. With tile thicknesses reaching up to 30 millimeters, it delivers fast, precise cuts with minimal chipping thanks to its laser-welded construction and hardened steel core. The drum transport and rotation cart is a compact, ergonomic solution for transporting, tilting, and removing 200-liter drums from pallets. It features a robust design with dual locking systems for secure handling and allows controlled rotation up to 180 degrees for safe, complete emptying. The Digga Auger drive is designed for truck cranes and telehandlers with flows from 30 to 115 liters per minute. Its below-ground gearbox design maximizes drilling depth without extensions, reducing downtime and maintenance. Featuring a compact high-torque planetary gearbox and a Digga/Danfoss bell motor, it delivers efficient, reliable performance in a wide range of ground conditions. The Innovatools two-way cutting tool is an efficient accessory for portable siding brakes, enabling smooth left-to-right and right-to-left cutting while staying attached to the brake. It delivers accurate 1-inch offset cuts and handles aluminum, or up to 24-gauge steel, improving speed and precision on site. The Ibenstock concrete grinder is a 230-volt corded electric concrete grinder with coarse grit capability. At about 7.25 kilograms, it delivers strong, reliable performance for surface preparation, smoothing, and coating removal in construction and renovation work. This safety harness features a central front fall arrest attachment with a cross-chest buckle and patented torso adjusters for quick fitting. It includes an integrated PSRL tunnel, suspension trauma relief straps, steel hardware, and RFID identification, with optional comfort padding available. Scotch-Brite discs deliver high-performance, multi-purpose productivity for blending, cleaning, deburring, finishing, grinding, and polishing. Built with 3M precision-shaped grain, they provide a fast cut rate with a consistent finish across a wide range of metals. The Gobel Go 40 is a heavy-duty manual lever rivet tool designed to reduce grip force while delivering high riveting power. It supports blind rivets from 1/8 to 1/4 inch and structural rivets up to 1/4 inch in aluminum and steel, with an integrated spent mandrel container for efficient operation. The protective cover offers lightweight, breathable protection against dust, hazardous particles, and light liquid splashes. The durable, low-lint, low-static material makes them ideal for paint and general work applications while keeping clothing and skin clean. The B2 Rapid Fire Bender is a high-speed, innovative conduit bender designed for efficiency and ease of use. It bends 1/2 inch to 2-inch electrical metallic tubing, intermediate metal conduit, and rigid conduit with a single shoe using split-slip technology that automatically adjusts to the conduit type. The EXP15 automatic pallet truck provides simple, plug-and-play automation for pallet transport. It moves pallets from A to B without complex setup or integration, improving safety, efficiency, and workflow in factory and logistics environments. The EHF1400 is a compact, lightweight drywall system designed for efficiency and sustainability. Its lower overall height and reduced weight improve handling, while offering up to 80% cost savings compared to alternative drywall systems. The Canon 1K is a high-speed cable pulling tool designed for installing branch circuits, data, fiber, and pull ropes. Delivering pull speeds of up to 130 feet per minute, it features an adjustable handle for left or right-handed use, quick-release setup, and secure conduit or panel mounting for stability. Alufort is a robust slab formwork system designed for speed, efficiency, and durability. Using lightweight aluminum panels with minimal components, it enables quick assembly, fast cycle times, and high-quality concrete finishes. With fewer props and compatibility with both aluminum and steel supports, it offers safe ground-level assembly and smooth workflow, even on demanding projects. The Woodpeckers Blade Saver is a durable wraparound guard and hanger system designed to protect 10-inch and 12-inch circular saw blades during storage. Made from tough ABS plastic, it shields carbide teeth from chipping and damage, while allowing safe, compact storage without handling sharp edges. Bullseye Borecore work surface extension plates are 6-inch aluminum plates that extend small work surfaces, so reference and alignment patterns remain visible during drilling. They are placed over the drill point and can be held or tacked in place to improve accuracy and control. The HoneyPack paper machine by ePacking is an automated packaging solution designed for filling and sealing honey into paper-based packs or sachets. Built to handle viscous products, it ensures accurate dosing, hygienic operation, and efficient production for packaging applications. The MHM building system is a sustainable solid wood construction solution offering full design flexibility. Custom-made wall elements store significant carbon dioxide with adjustable wall thicknesses and insulation levels to suit residential, municipal, or commercial projects. That's it for today's journey into next-level construction. If these technologies amazed you, stay tuned for more incredible innovations that continue to reshape the future.